In calculation involving simple interest, there are certain keywords that you need to note, okay? So any money deposited or borrowed is what? Is the principal. So let's have this example. We are told to find the rates per annum if 36,000 naira is paid as simple interest. So the first thing first is to what? Collect the data. Okay, so our simple interest right now from this information is what? 36,000 naira. I can leave the kobo if you want. So I don't. Let me just write it like this: 36,000, and they said 120,000 naira was deposited. Okay, 120,000. 120,000 naira was deposited uh, for 3 years. That is the period. Okay, okay. Definitely, you know that the formula for simple interest is what? Definitely, our rate was not given. So let's put it as a question mark because our rate was not given. And the formula for simple interest, we know that our I is equal to what? PRT every over what? 100. Okay. So we can say that we're going to plug in all these values here into all these into the equation. So anytime you see I, our I is what? Is 36,000. Okay. This equal sign, this equal sign. Our P is what? Is 120,000. Our R was not stated. And our T is 3. Everything over what? Over 100. Okay. So in that instance, I'm actually going to first of all multiply all these terms together. So let me say this can also be written as 36,000 is equal to, so there is 120,000 times 3. We're going to have 360,000. So 360,000 times R. Okay. So you have 360,000 R. Okay, because we multiply all the terms together. Okay. So everything time over what? Over 100. Okay. Definitely, since we are told to find the rates, that is which is the value of this R. This is a fractional form and this is not the fractional form. So let's put it in the fractional form because I want to proceed from here. I'll put this one over 1. Definitely I can cross multiply, okay? Because 1 9 here, another 9 here at the other side. So you're going to be 1 times that's 360,000 R is equal to this 36,000 will multiply by 100. That is 36,000. We will definitely multiply by this 100, okay? So we have 360,000 R is equal to 36,000 times 100. Obviously, we're going to increase the zero, so we're going to have 36000. There include these two zeros, okay? So we have this is our value. Definitely, since we are told to find R, we have to make R the subject. And for us to make R the subject, we have to divide both sides by what? 360,000. Okay, because 360,000 is attached to R, and we are told to make R the subject because R was not given it, and we are told to look for it. Okay, so divide both sides by what? 360,000. Okay, so if I divide both sides by 360,000, everything is equal to 360. One, two, three. Okay. Definitely all this one is cancel with this. 1 cancel 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. Okay. Let me clean all this side here. So let's with my R is equal to what? 360 every over 36. Okay. Definitely 36 cancel 7 cancel this 360 10. Okay. So R is equal to what? 10. Remember, R must be in what? In percentage. Okay. So this is the answer to this simple interest question. Okay. So the first thing first is to first of all bring out the data. So let's see this thing. Any number deposited or borrow is what is the principal. Okay. So if you understand those basic concepts, you're able to solve any type of simple interest that comes your way. So thank you for listening to my presentation. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.